Welcome, and my name is an ALCATEL 1X, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So, number one, let's pull down the notification panel and find it right here. At least that's where it is for me. You can see it's written underneath hotspot. So, to enable, you can simply tap on it. But first, we might want to actually set it up so we know what the password is for it. So from here, you can actually hold the toggle and it will take you to the settings. And from here, I just disable it so we can actually change stuff. And number one, set up mobile hotspot. Stop on that option right here. And you have network name, so you can change that to make it less messy, for instance, or just name it to whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. This is going to be the name that it's shown on all the network lists. So when you go into Wi-Fi connections, at the moment you will see ALCATEL 1X. So you can change it to whatever you want. Then you have password, and you can either tap on show password and gain this one, which is just kind of random password, or you can change it by just tapping right here, removing this one and setting something different. Now keep in mind it needs to have at least 8 characters, and once it has, as you can see, it's 1 through 8, so there's 8 characters. Tap on save, and from here you can enable it again. And now you can connect to your Wi-Fi. The name is, as you can see, ALCATEL 1X with the password that we have set 1 through 8. So now for you it might vary depending on how you have set it up, but that is basically how mine is at the moment. So from there, once it's all set up, you can then go into notifications, and then you can enable and disable it at your leisure. It doesn't really matter now. The settings will stay as they were set. So all you need to basically remember is the password for it. And that is how you would set it up. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.